Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Star, blessings of people. Yo, as you can see that now, people that are the Jamaicans children home, you know. You understand, up in a St.Andrew, and that is a home where many children who know, you understand, now parents, now family, and them something like this, so them stay, you know what I mean, people, and them say that section, that's the upper floor section, they burn down people, and you can see it in flames. Not a fire truck there upon the scene at the time there, you know what I mean, and them say over 300 million Jamaican dollars worth of damage has been estimated, have been lost during that fire, people. And I tell you, boy, them say right now over 40 children right now know if to sleep. See, so me I tell you now, people, boy, it's tough. And them say they don't know what could have caused this blaze, because them says a residents in the community don't see smoke come from the section of the building, and them alerted. You understand? Other bigger people and them boy John, when them reach that go on now. Is it? Some things can happen sometimes which you don't even know, people. You know what I mean? That's a big loss to the Jamaica economy right now, because if you go restore that damage now, people, you understand, them lose over 300 million, and right now I don't even know if that building was insured. You know what I mean? Because several of them government building there, so them not insured. You know what I mean? Them not insured. So why? That's why I think saying that all government building or entities them should insure them for insure, because in a thing like this now, people, at least insurance could have come fix back at some time. Even though insurance may take long to give back the money still, but the government could have fixed back and them get that the money to boost back the economy. You understand? Because when I see them have got to take back money, you know, to go fix back this, you know, and the money could have do something else towards the Jamaica economy. You know what I mean? So tell a boy, let's say go, people. Find destruction and troubles all over. You know what I mean? Everywhere out there and everywhere. See it? The other people they are scroll through see how we are. You know what I mean? Giving Jah thanks for life as usual. It's a beautiful day, not a bad day, not a tough day. You understand? Just have to be grateful, you know, for everything what we have, you know? And give Jah thanks for every little thing, no matter what. Sometimes it may not big, it's small, but still give Jah thanks. Don't know a thing of people, enough love, enough respect and peace. You don't know, this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Attack. Remember, subscribe. When you do then subscribe, hit that notification bell icon, so when NEWLINK chop a video, you will get them. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Give Jah thanks, blessings, peace, and more. Attack them, NEWLINK.
Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.